This is a Klarstein industrial ceiling fan, produced in 2016, new in the box 2024. It's completely made out of metal. Canopies. It's got quite a few stickers on the top, as you can see. Rotate it around a little bit. You can see there's an extra few stickers here. Yeah, it's got a good capacitor in here. It's got some holes for air to enter. It's not a J-hook mount, it's a normal ball and socket mount like you would see in a commercial ceiling fan. But yeah, let's check out the wall mount. Here we go. This is what I use to turn the fan on and off, but it's on the choke right now. So this is the choke switch. This is what kills it and starts it. So let's do 0 to high. This motor is very, very powerful. It's a very, very impressive fan. I'd say it's going around 350, maybe 380 revolutions per minute. It's insanely fast. And by the way, this fan was produced in Berlin, in Germany. If you want an air bath, you go. Can't get much better in the UK. Medium on the choke. This is still going on 250 revolutions per minute. It's insane. This fan, unlike most industrials, has contoured blades. Most industrials have curved tips, which are not contoured. But yeah, it's really nice, this fan. It's got a little wobble due to misalignment. Let's see if I can cover up. Right, down to low. This fan is still going like 100 revolutions per minute. It's still pulling out a ton of air. It is insane. Now I'm going to turn it off. I'm not going to bring it back up to full tilt because I don't use it. spin down. This fan is 48 inches in diameter. Perfect size. Yeah. I absolutely love this fan. Love it. And the blades are not just one piece, you know, you can see they've got a bracket with the riveted contours and holes, you can see them. So it's just not one piece. The blade is separate and the bracket is also separate, so it's not just one piece. It comes as one piece, but it's manufactured in two different pieces, if that makes sense. For low speed, this is quite a long spin down. Jeez, I think you'll have to stop now. Yeah, there we go. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later.